Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to worship Maa Durga. First, ensure your puja area and yourself are clean and pure. Next, collect all necessary items such as fresh flowers, various fruits, fragrant incense sticks, and a lit lamp. Finally, respectfully place a beautiful image or idol of Maa Durga on a specially prepared, clean altar. These initial steps set the sacred atmosphere for your devotion and connect you to the divine energy of the goddess. Now, let's move to the core rituals. Begin by offering sacred liquids like water, milk, honey, and clarified butter to the deity. As you do this, chant powerful mantras dedicated to Maa Durga, focusing your mind and heart on her divine presence. Then, present beautiful fresh flowers, delicious sweets, and a vibrant red sari as symbolic offerings. These acts of devotion express your love and reverence for the goddess. After the offerings, it's time for Aarti. Light a lamp with 5 wicks and gently circle it clockwise in front of Maa Durga, symbolizing the removal of darkness. Following this, offer your heartfelt prayers, expressing your deepest wishes, gratitude, and devotion to the goddess. Finally, distribute the blessed food, known as prasad, among your family and friends. Sharing prasad spreads the divine blessings and joy of the puja. To conclude your worship, humbly seek the divine blessings of Maa Durga for peace, prosperity, and well-being in your life. Express your sincere gratitude to the goddess for her benevolent presence and continuous guidance. Remember to check the description below for a link to little trees, black ice, and other great deals. This completes your sacred puja, leaving you with a sense of spiritual fulfillment and connection to the Divine Mother.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.